Well, hey everybody, my name is Lennie Lawson. Welcome back to the Saxophone Factory. We are producing as often as we can, as much as we can, the Lennie Niehaus Basic Jazz Conception for Saxophone, Volume 1. I call it the red cover because it's got the red thing on it. The other one has, Volume 2 has a black cover. Right now we're working out of this one. All right, we just did, I think the lesson before this was lesson 3. We are now on lesson 4. Just like always, if you find that we're taking it too quick, stop the video or slow it down, because YouTube has a thing that you can actually slow it down and get out your metronome and get it done and then start the video again. All right, here we go. Number 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's all there is to it. Make sure that don't go too fast, because if you go too fast, then you'll make mistakes. Slow it down. One of the things I learned from my saxophone teacher at Florida State was never, ever play anything faster than you can play it perfectly. Until the next video, thanks.